Hey friends, finding the right hosting for your website. Today, we're putting the spotlight on Accuwebhosting. Ever been stuck on a website that takes ages to load? With Accuwebhosting, you can kiss those slow loading days goodbye. They're known for their lightning fast speeds, so your website will be up and running faster than you can say Accuweb. Now, let's talk security. Because when it comes to your website, you don't want to take any chances. Accuwebhosting takes security seriously, with a whole arsenal of features to keep your site safe from hackers and other threats. And their customer support is top-notch. You got questions? They got answers. 24/7, 365 days a year. So you can rest easy knowing you've always got a team of experts ready to help. Now, let's talk options. Accuwebhosting has a plan for everyone, whether you're just starting out or running a major online business. They've got shared hosting, VPS hosting, cloud hosting, you name it. And the best part? Their prices are super affordable. So, if you're looking for fast, secure, and affordable web hosting, Accuwebhosting is definitely worth checking out. And right now, they're offering a special discount up to 50%. Just click the link in the description below to get started. And remember, keeping it simple is always a good idea.